Hey there, struggling with your network connection? In today's guide, we'll dive into how to fix TP-Link network profile issues and ensure you enjoy seamless connectivity. Whether it's slow speeds, connection drops, or trouble accessing the internet, we've got you covered with practical solutions to bring your network back to peak performance. Let's get started on fixing your TP-Link network profile and eliminating those pesky problems. Step 1. Diagnose the network issue. The first step in resolving any network problem is to diagnose where the issue lies. Check if the problem is with your TP-Link device, your internet service provider, or perhaps your connected devices. Start by unplugging your TP-Link router and modem. Wait a minute, then plug them back in to perform a power cycle. This simple step can often resolve minor connectivity issues by resetting your network. Check the indicator lights on the router. They can provide insights into connectivity status. Step 2. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause numerous issues with your TP-Link network profile. To update the firmware, connect your computer to the TP-Link router using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Open a web browser and type in the router's IP address, typically 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the firmware update section, usually found under the System Tools or Maintenance. Download the latest firmware version from the TP-Link website by selecting your router model. Follow on-screen instructions to upload and update the firmware on your router. Updating the firmware can fix bugs and improve router performance, potentially resolving network issues. Step 3. Reset network profile settings. If updating firmware doesn't help, resetting your network settings might. This returns your network configuration to its default state, often resolving persistent issues. Log into your TP-Link router as described earlier. Locate the factory defaults or restore option under the System Tools Administration tab. Click on the Restore to Factory Defaults button and confirm your choice. Resetting your router will erase customized settings, so make sure to note down any necessary configurations before proceeding. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Optimizing your network settings can help avoid interference and enhance performance. Change the wireless channel. Channels can get congested if many routers in your area are using the same one. Access the wireless settings on your router's dashboard. Select a different channel that offers less interference, such as channels 1, 6, or 11 for the 2.4 GHz band. Adjust the channel width. A wider channel width can improve speed. Set the channel width 20 MHz or 40 MHz as applicable to your device and connection type under Advanced Wireless Settings. Step 5. Protect your network. Finally, to keep your TP-Link network stable and secure from unwanted access, ensure you have strong security measures. Update your Wi-Fi password regularly. Enable WPA3 encryption if supported, or fall back to WPA2 for robust security. Disable WPS to reduce potential security vulnerability. And that's how to fix TP-Link network profile issues. By diagnosing the problem, updating firmware, resetting the network profile, optimizing settings, and ensuring robust security measures, you can restore smooth and uninterrupted connectivity. Remember, regular maintenance of your network can prevent future issues and enhance performance. Happy surfing, and may your internet connection stay strong and reliable.